This is the Mosko Pinner tool roll that I got. I finally got a chance to put my tools in it. Everything fit pretty easily in here. These are mostly the tools that just came with my KTM when I bought it. A couple added things. Some CO2 stuff for airing up tires. Allen wrenches and stuff. But plenty of room for more stuff. But I imagine if I fill it fuller, the bag will take up more space. It fits in the pocket of my saddlebag pretty easily, so that's pretty good. This cinch strap helps make it tighter. The material is real heavy duty. This strap right here has proved to be pretty handy for pulling it out of the bag when it's in there. So it's pretty good. Anyways, so far I like it. We'll see how it holds up.